Welcome to problem number 4. If DeMarco paid $46 for 3 flowers, how much did he pay for each flower? Estimate and then calculate the final amount. So first I'm going to estimate, and I know my problem is I have $46.08, and that was for 3 flowers. I want to know the price for 1 flower. So I know that I'll be dividing this by 3 to find the price for just 1. So I'm thinking to myself, okay, do I know any 3's facts that could help me here? I know 3 times 10 is 30. That's still too small. 3 times 15 would be 45. Oh, hey, that sounds about right. So I'm going to estimate that it would be about $15 a flower, because I know that 15 times 3 is 45. Whoops. There we go. Let's make it clear. Okay. So I have my estimate. Now I'm going to start dividing. So I start in here with my price, $46.08. I write out here the number I'm dividing it by, which is 3. And then I'm going to do it piece by piece for you guys to see. If you already happen to know 15 times 3 off the top of your head, you can just start there. But I'm going to start with 3 times 10. And I know that 3 times 10 equals 30. So I'm going to subtract 30 from this number. And we're just dealing with whole numbers right now, so there's nothing in the decimals places. I'm just leaving them there to make the subtraction a little bit easier. Then I do 6 minus 0 is 6, 4 minus 3 is 1, so I have $16.08 left to deal with. Now I also know that 3 times 5 is 15, so I'm going to use that next. Because I know that 3 times 10 would be too big. I only have $16 to give out. So let's take out another 15. 3 times 5. And we are left with, I'm sorry about my handwriting, $1.08. Now I can't take out another 3 wholes because there's only $1. So I'm going to have to start getting into decimals. So I'm going to start with 3/10 and see where that gets us. So 3/10 times 3 is 9/10. So I'm going to subtract 9/10 now. And there's no hundredths involved there, so I'll just put a 0, 8. And then I have to borrow because I can't do 0 minus 9, as we all know. All right, I have 18 hundredths left. Oh, hey, 3 times 6 is 18. So I'm going to put in each group now 6 hundredths. Because again, as I said, 3 times 6 is 18. So 6 hundredths times 3 is 18 hundredths. So I will subtract that out to make sure that I have finished right down to the very bottom. Boom, boom, boom. Yep, nothing remaining. There is no remainder. So now all I have to do to get my total is add up these numbers that I was dividing out piece by piece. So I add them up. It's 6 hundredths, 3/10, and 15 wholes. So the price for each flower was $15.36, which clicks with my estimate. So I feel good about that answer. And I'm going to use a full sentence. I'll say each flower costs $15.36. So it's, as I said yesterday, it's just like the long division we did last year. The only difference is that we're also using decimals as something that we can divide out. But the concept is totally the same. And I make sure I put my work here with my full sentence answer. Boom.